Right, so we've got the latest generation Aston Martin Vantage that's been in with us today. We've done our Apple CarPlay integration with this, which I'll just show you shortly. Obviously I can just show you from this side, but then I'll just go through some of the features and the different way we actually install this kit. And we've also upgraded the security on this and added the latest generation Auto Watch Ghost as well. So let me just give you a quick resume in here in terms. So if you've got one of these vehicles and you don't have Apple CarPlay, then I can show you exactly what to expect. So obviously you can see here, if you obviously just look at this, the clarity of the kits that we install, we also enhance the actual resolution as well. So obviously utilizing the original screen but integrating perfectly in here. You just use the main jog dial, which, as you can see, very responsive in terms of obviously what you need to access via the actual screen itself. You can basically go in and out just by using this button. If you want to go back into the Aston Martin screen, and that's there, and then basically press it again and you're straight back in. If you want to obviously go into reverse, then we've integrated fully the OEM camera system in there, as you can see, and then that flicks straight back. So it's fully seamless control in these Aston Martin kits. We also do, compared to other things, is that we obviously I've just got this connected wired, but it is a full wireless system, but we integrate in here into the armrest for charging, and if you want to plug in directly into the system. Some people put like a flying lead which goes down the side, but we do it properly into the armrest, so it's literally like it's a factory fitted kit. And then obviously in this particular vehicle we've done the Auto Watch Ghost as well in here, which is a full security package. Just enables and stops anything to do with key cloning or people trying to hack into the car via the OBD. So that's fully protected there. So if you'd like further information obviously on the Apple CarPlay system that we can do for the latest generation Aston Martin Vantages, we can also cater for pre this model and the earlier model, so we can go back to 2006 for CarPlay for Aston Martin models. So if you've got this or an older one, then get in touch. I'm sure we can do something there for you. But yes, if you'd like further information on this or actually upgrading the security in this Aston Martin, then please get in touch at TTW Installations.